Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 7, Video Part 1. Question number 1. How many endpoints a line segment has? So line segment is the part of the line which has two endpoints. Okay, which has two endpoints. So we can say answer will be option B. Okay. So question 1 answer will be option B. Question number 2. Which one of the following name is appropriate for the angle 100 degree? So angle 100 degree is greater than 90 degree, and greater than 90 degree all the angles are known as obtuse angle. So question 2 answer will be option C. Question number 3. O is the center of a circle and P and Q are the points on the circle. So angle POQ is 180 degree, PQ dash of the circle. So let's make a circle to understand it better. O is the center and PQ such that it is making an angle 90 degree. ये ऐसा है जो angle 90 बना रहा है. Okay. So this is your P, this is your O, this is your Q. Okay. And this angle is 180 degree. So in this way we can see PQ is the chord, is the greatest chord which is passing through the center O. So it means it is known as diameter of the circle. Option B will be the correct answer. Third answer will be B. Question number 4. In an equilateral triangle, all the angles will be acute. Okay, that is of measure 60 degree. Option A. Fourth answer is option A. Okay. Question number 5. Sum of any three angles of a rectangle is equal to. So a rectangle, all the angles of the rectangle is of 90 degree. Okay. So 90 plus 90 plus 90. Actually, we have to just add 3 90s. It will be 270 degree. Option B. Fifth answer is option B. Okay. Come to question number 6. If one of the sides of an equilateral triangle is 3 centimeter, so what will be the sum of other two sides of a triangle? So actually it is an equilateral triangle. All the sides are of same size. It means that is your ये भी 3 होगा, ये भी 3 होगा, ये भी 3 होगा. Sum of other two will be 3 plus 3, 6 centimeter. Option B. Sixth answer will be B. Question number 7. Which one of the following option represent an obtuse angle triangle? In an obtuse angle triangle, one angle should be more than 90 degree, and for the angles of a triangle, the sum of three angles will be 180 degree. So if we just add 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 110. So this is your 210. Cannot be possible the angles of a triangle. Here it is 45, 45, 90. It is 180, but there is not any angle which is more than 90 degree. Here if we see, this is sum of this is 180 degree and one angle is more than 90 degree, that is your 95. option C will be the correct answer. You can check with the same rule the option D also. Okay. Question number 8. How many vertices are there in a square? So in a square, just make an square bana lo aap. And how many vertices? Vertices means corner. You just see there are 4 vertices. 8 answer will be D. Question number 9. Look at the following figure. LM is, this is your LM. LM is the chord. When 2 points are joining with a line on the circle, then it is known as chord. Option C. Ninth answer will be option C. Question number 10. If measure of an unequal angle of an isosceles triangle is 90 degree, which one of the following is the measure of the one of the equal triangle? So one of the equal triangle, one angle is 90 degree, other 2 angles should be equal, and sum of 3 angles will be 180 degree only, as it is the angles of a triangle. 2x equal to 180 minus 90, it will be 90 degree. X will be equal to 45 degree. So it means option A. 10th answer will be option A. Okay. Come to question number 11. Look at the following figure. X is n. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle should be 180 degree. So x will be your 180 degree minus 50 degree plus 70 degree, that is your 7 plus 5 120, 70 plus 50 120, 180 minus 120, so it will be your 60 degree, and 60 degree is less than 90 degree, that's why it is an acute angle triangle. Acute angle. So 11th answer will be option A. Question number 12. Look at the following figure. OA is the radius. OA, this is the radius. Okay. BD is the, so OA is the radius. We can say OC is the radius. OB will be the radius. OD will be the radius. And sum of 2 radius will be the diameter of the circle. So BD will be the diameter. The 12th answer will be option A. Question number 13. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. Let's make a triangle which is isosceles. ठीक है, A B C. AB is equal to AC है आपका, angle A is 70 degree. This 2 angles should be equal. This is X, this is X. Find the measure of angle C. We have to just find this one. So we can just write 70 degree plus X equal to 180 degree. So 2X will be equal to 110 degree. X will be equal to 55 degree. It is in the option number B. 13th answer will be option B. Question number 14. Which one of the following names has been given to the triangle whose no 2 sides are equal? No 2 sides are equal means all 3 sides are different. And all 3 sides are different, it means it is known as scalene triangle. So 14th answer will be option C. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.